Welcome to this Junior's Gasoline Alley, where today we're doing a modification I've wanted for a while on my 2020 GMC Sierra. And it's something that you can do on your own GMC Sierra or Chevy Silverado that's year 2019 and up. We're adding a tonneau cover to the pickup truck from YitaMotors. And the neat thing with this is it's a pretty inexpensive tonneau cover that comes with everything you need to install it on your truck and keep things nice and dry. So in this video, I'm going to show you the things that I like about this tonneau cover, and then I'll take you through a step-by-step install on a 2019 and up Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra. So tonneau covers are one of those things that are really nice to have on a pickup truck because they make the back end a whole heck of a lot more usable. But in a lot of cases, they're big and bulky. And so when I was trying to find a tonneau cover, I wanted one that was not going to be that way. And looking around online, I found this brand of tonneau cover from YitaMotors that's a little under $200 on Amazon. It's a roll-up vinyl tonneau cover, and it's got these little locking pieces so that when you click it down, give it a nice snug click, and you can see it locks into place while still being able to open and close your tailgate at the same time. The next thing is putting it away is actually a blast. So it uses Velcro on the side that you can hear kind of come undone. And that's because it makes a nice watertight seal. Whew, it's pouring pretty good, but check out inside, dry as a bone. And it's gonna roll up right to the end of your bed, where all you have to do is take a little strap, click it together, and now it's secure in place with your whole cargo area open. Past that, the other thing that I like about this is it's got all these painted black rails on the side, which have a foam seal to help keep water out. And then you'll see these little aluminum pieces are aluminum clamps that aren't gonna rust, that help affix it to the bed without needing tools or drilling any holes in the body. And so far, I've found that the installation and the roll up as well as roll out procedure to get this thing onto the bed of the truck is pretty easy to be done even with one person. Because all you got to do once you get it rolled out, get it oriented, give a nice pull down, and it locks into place. Super easy and pretty secure. So the YitaMotor tonneau cover that I got, this is going to be a roll-up version. So these are going to come in a couple different flavors based on the bed size of your truck. But basically inside of the package, you're going to get your rails to be able to mount it up. You're going to get some nice weather stripping, and interestingly, a little click light. I don't know if I'll use that because mine has the option of bed lights. You do get some instructions for it as well. In here, some really high quality looking aluminum bed rail clamps. And then of course, we're gonna have the tonneau cover that's super well protected the way it's gotten shipped. So to install the product, the first thing we're gonna need to do is check out the manual here. And basically it's gonna go through and let us know what we're gonna start with. So we're gonna start by reinstalling the screw and attaching the side rail to the roll cover assembly. So if you check that out, it looks like our first step here is take our roll cover assembly and we'll slide it across right here. And there's going to be a little rubber gasketed bottom that I think is going to go up against the bed rail there. We'll take our side rail for the bed. We're going to slide that forward right on top of this little rubber piece. And once those button up together, we've got a small 4mm bolt that we want to tighten up. And by tightening up this bolt, it's going to snug everything together here. And once that's snugged up, jump around to the other side. So with our bed rails on, our next step is going to be going ahead and setting up where these beautiful aluminum clamps go on. Because of the size of this particular truck, you'll notice that the clamps are going to go on in a couple of spots. So here we're going to be 6 to 8 inches from the front and back of the bed rails, and then one in the middle. So all you're gonna need to do is measure out 6 to 8 inches, which is gonna put my clamp right about here. And you'll notice the way these go in, it's gonna really snug up super well without needing any tools. And once that's tightened up, you're gonna do another one in the middle and 6 to 8 inches from the cab. with all 6 clamps clamped on, should now be as simple as unclipping the strap, and let's see how it does rolling out. Now, interestingly, there's these little metal bars that seem to be in the case, so I think that's going to help keep it shape. So out just like that. Oh, little packing material. Nice to see. Huh, and it locks down like that. All right. Wow, I'll tell you what, that's actually pretty sweet. Wow. I gotta say, that's way better than I was expecting. Now to get it out, there's a little handle. Pull on that. Huh. Loosens up the locks, and should be as simple as legitimately just rolling it up. And once it's all rolled up, you've got your strap, clip it down into place, and all done. Well guys, I'll tell you what, this thing is just downright tremendous. Now it does come with a rubber gasket if you were to need to, but that would go on your tailgate here. However, my setup seems to be pretty snug, so I'm going to give it a shot where it is. If it ends up needing a little extra sealing, I'll go ahead and do that. But otherwise, I'll tell you what, this thing is absolutely incredible, and it did truly blow me away on my expectations. I thought it would be good, but this, for under $200, which is what they're selling for now, and I do have a link below, this thing is really nice. Well, go ahead and let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. While you're at it, be sure to hit subscribe and hit the like button. It lets me know you enjoyed it. But otherwise, I think it's time for me to enjoy my new tonneau cover. And thank you again to YitaMotor for getting this on here.